Good evening, everyone. Wilhelmina is greeting you a pleasant good morning to you. From my end, it's evening. We are now on September 1st, 2025. We are almost ending 2025. And I'm really amazed today that most of the buyers or brokers, they know me for many years. They've been roaming around and comparing prices, collecting information online. Yes, we are now on social media, and everything you can buy on social media. I purchase item through Facebook advertisement. I paid in advance. I don't have any issue. And you are searching for gold through social media, and you will never find other person that give you such extensive procedure, extensive information on how you are able to secure step by step and the price every day, and I update the price every day. But still, you guys, you cannot comprehend. 3 years ago, I warned everyone that bank now, because there is a tendency that the price will goes up, and nobody believed Wilhelmina. Nobody. And then little by little, they start to come back. Everybody come back to Wilhelmina. Why? You search on YouTube, my video pop up into your screen. I'm the only person who show my face. This is my virtual office. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. And the gold produced in Mali, Conakry, and Sierra Leone. I only handle 3 countries. The seller hired me to handle sales and marketing to the world. I was the one who introduced this. I used to be in real estate. When you buy property, you have to go to the bank to borrow money in order to buy property. To buy this precious mineral, you need to have cash flow. If you don't have cash flow and asking CIF, cost, insurance, and freight, to me, you're a poor guy. And if you're asking LC, letter of credit, do you know what is the meaning of letter of credit? You have to go to the bank and apply for a credit in your name. Why you gonna have a credit in the on gold? Why you gonna block fund on the gold? Gold is cash, gold is currency. Now let's talk about the pricing now. Last month, what was August, the price ups and down. Friday last week, August 3rd, August 29, the price of gold was 109,871.50. That was August 29. Then August 30, the price of gold was 110,771. September 1st, the price of gold is getting higher, which is 111,807.50 per kilo. So now, Mr. International Buyer, you know Wilhelmina, you've been running around and asking procedure, asking pricing. I'm not here to police you. If you pay attention on this video, subscribe on my YouTube channel and give me a thumb and click below. Read the full corporate offer very extensively and the pricing for the day. Today, September 1st. I put the price so that easy for you to read. And if you don't pay attention to this video, you're a loser. If I am the buyer, I would pay attention if I found this video. I will read it, digest it, why I need gold, why I'm gonna talk to Wilhelmina. What is Wilhelmina's role? My role is very simple. I am here to tell the world. I am here selling the gold to you. We are here to do business. But some of you have no money. Short of all of cash flow, they can only afford to buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos. My dear, this is not for you. You wouldn't get the profit. And some of you can only afford 5 kilos. You need to travel. And you need to convince Wilhelmina that you have a substantial fund available in your bank account. Without that, I wouldn't believe it. I wouldn't believe it. Just like when you walk into the bank manager will ask you about your pattern of savings. How are you able to buy property that you're looking for? If you don't have a pattern of savings, buying gold is exactly the same. You're buying currency here. You're buying money to make money here. Gold is money. Gold is tax haven. Gold is to protect your property, to cover the inflation. Tax haven is very important. Now the world is on panic because the price of gold is getting higher and higher and higher. Now Wilhelmina is here talking to you. If you search gold on YouTube or on Facebook, my video pop up into your screen. Now let's talk about the price of gold. Okay? Now the price of gold today is September 1st. Right. Just a moment. Okay, the price of gold today is 111,801.13 per kilo. This is already refined. This is not an ordinary item. This is precious mineral you are buying. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, too expensive, I cannot afford. Well, don't be involved in buying gold. Don't. Stay away buying gold because you wouldn't be able to afford. Now, you are not buying 111,801 because this one is already refined. This gold is already refined. Okay? Now, our selling price on unrefined, which is 102.48. This is a Dory bar. 22 plus equivalent to 23 carats. The purity is from 96, 97, 98. Right. Tell me, Mr. Buyer, if you're really serious, how are you able to pay? Then you're gonna say, well, Amina, I want to buy 100 kilos. Well, prove it to us. Convince Wilhelmina that you can afford to pay. How are you gonna convince me? Number one, show me your business registration, a copy that you're a businessman. Show me your importation license that you can bring gold into your country. Show me your passport copy. Show me the proof of fund that you have money available in your bank account. Standby. And you need to apply money laundering certificate that your money is clean, whether you are involved in money laundering or not. Because sellers in Africa also involved on gold laundering as well. Why I say this? If the seller will say pay taxes, that is gold laundering. Why you gonna pay taxes? You have not sent the gold. You need to travel. You need to book. We need to have a contract between you and the seller. Wilhelmina will gather your vital information before we're gonna proceed. I'm going to interview you live video call when you come. Do not say hi because I am not hi. Do not say sir because I'm not sir. Most of these idiot joker broker, they call me sir. They already saw me. They already saw me on my platform on Facebook. They call me sir. And then they saw me on my YouTube channel. They call me sir. My goodness. That is insulting. That's the reason why I don't respond to a a joker broker. Why I called you joker broker? You don't know how to introduce yourself. You're gonna send me hi, hello, send me the procedure, what for? You don't even introduce yourself who you are. And I don't send procedure no more. The procedure is in front of you. Just subscribe if you have an account on YouTube channel. Just subscribe and click below. Give me a thumb if you understand. Go through step by step. This is very extensive procedure, the requirement that you are going to comply, what necessary requirement you are going to get when you take the gold out of the country, and what requirement that you are going to convince us. I mentioned that a few seconds ago. You need to prove to Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina will scrutinize you. Wilhelmina is a gatekeeper and also your business facilitator. I have two positions. You come to Wilhelmina, I'm going to facilitate. My seller hired Wilhelmina to market it. Alright? So I don't deal with chain of joker broker no more. I prefer to deal with the buyer. That buyer can understand. That buyer can prove that he can afford to pay what he is looking for. Now you're gonna ask, Wilhelmina, where is the gold? You know that I mentioned a few seconds ago that gold is produced in Africa, Mali, Conakry, Sierra Leone. Wilhelmina will determine during our interview, during our video live conference, I will determine whether I'm going to take you to Mali. Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. All right. Either I'm gonna take you to Conakry if you're from Dubai, because Dubai is direct flight from Conakry to Dubai 4 times a week, Emirates Airline. Or you're gonna say, well, Amina, bring the gold to the central bank. Yes, we will bring the gold to central bank after you inspect the gold in the office, because the gold will not brought to central bank unless you pay the gold to the owner of the gold. The owner of the gold will send a letter to the central bank that he is going to export to you. So he is going to bring the gold to central bank to stay to central bank until further notice, until all export documentation prepared. And then the armor car from central bank, he will deliver that in the airport to Sky Cargo. You need to use Sky Cargo or Turkish Airlines or Ethiopia. You need to do the planning. Yeah, now I mention it. You're lucky that you get this vital information. Now in Mali, my seller used Turkish Airlines, use Ethiopia. Now when you ask the gold in Mali, use DNGM. My seller will consider KMR or DNGM. DNGM. Okay? That's government refinery. Go on my platform on Facebook, go through picture to picture, you can see the government refinery called DNGM. And KMR, you can search KMR. The third largest gold producer in West Africa is Mali. The biggest refinery is KMR, 500 meters away from International Airport. I've been to Mali. I know. You can see that in the airport overlooking 500 meters away. It's a huge refinery. But you cannot go to the refinery unless the seller will bring that gold to KMR. Because the KMR will ask the seller, where is your mining license? Your export license. Why? Most of the gold in Mali are stolen as well. Some are small miner, illegally mined, and you cannot take the gold out of the country without proper export documentation that you have paid the gold. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, how I'm gonna get the procedure? Procedure is in front of you. Just click below. Go through. Pay attention. Digest it properly. When you comprehend, then you come back to, well, Amina, have a video call conference. If you're from Dubai, use Botim. We can do live video call because I want to see you. I would not deal any joker buyer that doesn't want to open his camera, and then you're gonna make an alibi. Oh, my phone is not working. That is bullshit to me. To me, you are just soliciting. To me, you are just fishing around. You don't need to fish around because the river is shallow. There is no fish on the river if you don't know how to throw your fishing rod. Because the river, the hungry fish would not bite if you don't know how to throw your fishing rod. I'm using logic in business. I don't know if you comprehend what I'm saying. Very clear. I'm using business parable. Yes. So my dear, Wilhelmina has been in marketing for 36 years. I sell property. Whether you buy property or you buy anything, you always pay for it. Gold is not for credit. You're gonna say, oh, I don't want to pay upfront. Don't pay. Because there is no upfront. You need to travel. You need to place your order in the means of contract. I will gather your vital information to put that on the contract, and I will vouch you that I validated you. And I'm going to vouch you to my seller that let us proceed. Here is the vital information of the buyer. Then you will receive the confirmation of your order. You're going to ask, Wilhelmina, what is the minimum? At least 20 or 50 kilos, at least. Then you make profit. But if you want 5 kilos, 3 kilos, it's not worth it for you to travel. Why? You pay the airline ticket to stay in the hotel. It costs money. And when you resell it, there is also costing when you take the gold out of the country. You must remember. So the price of gold, as I've said a few minutes ago, the price of gold today, it fluctuates. We are selling 22 carats, 102,480. On the refine is 111,801.13. That is refined. That is gold bullion, 99.99. You're not buying 99.99 from us. If you want 99.99, yeah, okay. We will refine it in Kankamusa, or we can refine it to the central bank, or we can refine it to Sierra Leone, but you have to pay for it. Yes. So you have to pay 111,801 because the seller would not give his gold cheap price. Seller in Africa are now aware that the world is on panic. The seller in Africa are now aware. They have mobile phone, they have internet, they have WhatsApp, they have Facebook. They know the price. And you, Mr. Gold Trader, you're roaming around thinking you can get the gold. You wouldn't get the gold. CIF cost insurance and freight only. You don't have the money then. You can only afford to pay the shipping cost and insurance. How about paying the gold? Gold is money. That is normal. You have to pay the government sales tax. Gold is taxable. Don't you know that the price of gold, when the government value the gold, the tax on every bar is 5,500. So the seller did not even tell you that. The seller will say, oh, I have the gold, pay taxes. My dear, you're about to be trapped. I'm telling you. Those sellers says, pay taxes, you are going to be trapped. Because that gold cannot leave the country of origin without export documentation. I'll tell you, when I was in Conakry last April, I met the buyer. He came to the hotel where I stay. That buyer came to Kaloum Hotel across the Central Bank. And one of his friends live in Nairobi. He called me. He knows me. He followed me. And he said, Madam, I have a buyer in Conakry. But I was not in Conakry yet. I was in Dubai stopover, and I told this guy from Nairobi, okay, where is the buyer right now? Madam, the buyer is in Conakry. And I told his friend, I'm in Dubai right now, but I will be in Conakry. I want to see your friend. But who is the partner of your friend? And he said that the partner is in Dubai. Okay, I want to see the partner in Dubai. So I did meet the partner in Dubai, and he is a small shop, and they refurbished their shop, and this partner lost money. Why he lost money? And his partner traveled to Conakry. He was being offered CIF, okay? And he was given 1 kilo to bring that to Dubai to test at the refinery. And I told this partner, why did you not test the gold at the owner of the gold, that there is a refinery in Conakry? Okay, some exporter have their own facilities to determine what carats and the purity. So he was, I think he paid 35 or 40,000. Okay, so he carried the gold on the way to the airport, thinking that he can bring the gold to Dubai. And on the way to the airport, the police intercepted him, and the gold was being confiscated, and he was being arrested. So he was being bailed out. He was being bailed out by one of his friends, and he spent another $45,000 to pay the lawyer, because lawyer is very expensive, right? And he was released. He come to see me. He was shaking, and I invited him for dinner. I told him, relax, take it easy. I already met your partner in Dubai, and he was not happy about you. I told this partner, he went to Conakry. So disaster. And another guy from Asia traveled to Ghana. Again, disaster. And he said, Madam, I'm here in Ghana. I need gold. So, why you come to Wilhelmina? I'm not an agency. Why not just go to the government and purchase gold? You know what this Asian guy, he said, Madam, gold in Ghana is very expensive. Correct. You wouldn't get a cheap price. So he traveled to Ghana, disaster. And I told this Asian guy, I don't handle Ghana anymore. Used to be, in 2011, I did handle seller. I have been encountered disaster, even though he's my seller. He screwed me. Buyers and sellers, they screwed me. So I wouldn't touch Ghana, no matter what. Ghana is notorious. Good that the government has changed. No one can take the gold without full payment. That's good. So now the government, they start to wake up, because the government losing income. So where the gold coming from? From border to border, smuggled into Ghana. Now who suffered? Small trader, stranded in Ghana. And then some buyer went to Mali and Nairobi and Tanzania. They come to Wilhelmina. You don't need to come to Wilhelmina unless you know what you're doing. You come to Wilhelmina, you found my YouTube channel, you read it, then apply it to yourself. Why you encounter disaster? Now, remember, when I travel with you, Mr. Buyer, if you watch this video, I do charge my extra service to accompany you of $20,000. Take it or leave it, non-refundable. So therefore, you need to be prepared. Do not travel without preparation. And if you have limited cash and then the price goes up, the seller will change his price and the seller will reject you. I'm telling you, it happened when I was in Africa. Now, the price that I have given the buyer today, if I'll give you the price, it only good for 14 days. Once you sign a contract with us, it would take 14 days. After 14 days, when the price goes up, tough luck, our price changes. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, you're selling expensive price. It's not. Gold is expensive. Gold is tax heaven. You are buying money to make money. You must remember, our selling price is really good. However, if you convince Wilhelmina, I will renegotiate the price for you because I'm charging you my extra service. And if you come for a conference and then you ask me, what is the carat, what is the price, I'm not going to answer no more. Listen to this video. Now, when I open my mouth, there is a message on the screen. You read that, you watch that properly. After this video, then click below. Click below, read it, read the full corporate offer, because today, September 1, I'm going to put the price of the day. So tomorrow, September 2, when the price are up, I'm gonna update the page. You better come to my platform on Facebook because you can see the video that I was in Africa. You can see the picture to picture. The footage is very simple and easy to comprehend. If you don't know how to read, then tough luck, you are not a businessman. Or maybe you pretend to be dumb. A real buyer would not talk too much. Only bullshit buyer can talk bullshit. Because gold business is not for bullshit. This is real business. Real business. Where you gonna find a lady that she tell everything, the price, the requirements, what necessary you are going to comply? Show me your business registration to signify that you're a buyer. If you cannot show me a copy of your business registration, a copy of your importation license, your passport copy, the proof of fund, your bank statement that you have $1 million available, then I will believe it. But if you cannot show it to me, I wouldn't believe that you're a buyer. Really, you're just fishing around. You don't need to fish around because Wilhelmina is here. Wilhelmina is already mentioning everything, the price. Now, if you cannot comprehend, wait until it finishes this video. Subscribe. Click below. Go through and digest it. Scroll it paragraph by paragraph. Then you get my contact on the video. On this video. Come for conference. When you come for conference, do not say hi, hello, sir, madam. My goodness, you have to learn how to introduce yourself. Because when I apply for a job the first time in my life, I always introduce myself. Good morning, sir. I'm Wilhelmina Ford. When I was single, I'm Wilhelmina Grant. The manager says, sit down, Miss Grant. I have my own resume to show to the interviewer. Now, your resume is your business registration. Your resume is your importation license. Your resume, your passport copy. Your resume, the proof of fund. To convince Wilhelmina that you are really a buyer. When you convince Wilhelmina, then I will renegotiate the price for you. I am very fair. I sacrifice for you, but my services is not for free. When I travel with you, I've given you already knowledge, free of service of knowledge. This video, but don't ask me, madam, what is the price? Madam, what is the carats? Well, you go to the world market, you can see the price. You only come to Wilhelmina because you wanted to sticky bit. You wanted to collect. It's okay. You can collect information. Information is worth $1 million. Knowledge is very important. I've given you the knowledge already on how you become rich, because gold business is a profitable business. Believe me, when you continue purchasing gold every month in a year's time, your profit is 80,000. 80% your profit in a year's to come, years in a year. Only if you continue purchasing. But if you only buy 5 kilos, I rather advise you, don't trouble, because you are going to fail. I'm telling you. There was a buyer that I've given a very good negotiation, and he was talking to me November 12, 2024 for 10 kilos, because I have 3 sellers, and one seller is not he was not qualified, so I put this buyer to other seller that considers $60,000 per kilo 2024. And this buyer agree, and this, I really negotiated to the seller, and he was given $60,000 per kilo 2024, and she received advance invoice, a 40% down payment on 600,000. They agreed. So what happened when we arrived in Conakry? The seller would not bring the gold to the central bank unless the buyer transferred the 40% down payment. The buyer didn't. So there was a commotion. And you cannot blame Wilhelmina because they receive advance invoice already, and the owner of the gold would not bring the gold to the central bank unless the buyer pay deposit of 40%. Why? Because if the buyer back out, the gold cannot be taken out of central bank. And I took the buyer to the exporter, and he was being told that the gold has to be brought to central bank, and the exporter will send a letter to the central bank that he's going to bring the gold to central bank for export to a certain buyer. But the buyer didn't comprehend. And then they blame me, and I told this buyer, okay, because it was holiday, it was Holy Week, I will take you to my premium seller, but I doubt that he will consider, but I will, but I already informed my other seller that I have a buyer, okay, and this buyer, they go behind my back, and then they bully me. Mr. Buyer, if you're watching my video, if I mention your name, I'm telling you, you are going to be embarrassed. I have all our records. I have all the contract on my possession, and I have all our video and picture. If I release this, believe me, but Mr. Buyer, you requested me not to release, and you bullied me. This woman is not scared about bullying. Yeah. Australia has no jurisdiction. Africa has a jurisdiction, but you have not paid the gold. You haven't. You didn't pay the deposit. Yeah? You only pay my extra service to cover my airfare, my hotel accommodation, miscellaneous expenses, and the entertainment when I took you to Africa. My 20,000 is non-refundable. I already sent you the invoice. You're aware. And why you bully me? Huh? So to me, you're really, I don't know what to say. But if I mention your name, believe me, you are going to be embarrassed. Yes. And I think you received the letter from my solicitor. Yeah? Australia has no jurisdiction. The jurisdiction is in Conakry, Guinea, but you did not pay the gold. You didn't. You did not lose money. You only travel with Wilhelmina. You pay my extra service. So therefore, you didn't lose money. You didn't lose $600,000. because Wilhelmina prevented it for you. And I said, okay, don't pay if you are not comfortable. And before this buyer traveled to Conakry, they hired a security guard from Jerusalem, from Israel. When I saw this security guard, it's just an ordinary person. Why he hired a security guard? They watched the video on Blood Diamond. And I told this buyer, why you hired a security guard for? The gold is not in your possession. Oh, because you are scared. What for? Wilhelmina traveled to Africa. She doesn't have any security guard. Why are you hired? They paid the security guard on the agency of, I think, $20,000 or $30,000. They're getting paranoid. Why are you going to be paranoid? You will be invited. You will receive the landing visa. You are the guest of the company. But the problem, the seller turned you down because the seller would not bring the gold to Central Bank until you pay the 40%. But you didn't. You didn't pay at all. I have all the records here. This buyer that I'm talking about, if I mention his name, believe me, he's gonna be embarrassed. So to all buyers, this is a learning experience to everyone. Take advantage while you can talk to Wilhelmina. Take advantage watching this video. Learn it. Why Wilhelmina is charging? You mean to say when I apply to be with you, I'm giving you free service? This is not for free. Gold is not for free. Gold is a real money. Gold is a very expensive item. My services is also expensive. $20,000 is peanuts. You go to the solicitor for advice, you're going to be charged. You go to the hospital, whenever you are, if you don't have an insurance, you will not be entertained. You talk to Wilhelmina, lucky you are listening to this video. Take this video as your learning experience, and so that you will not repeat again. I'm a challenger. I'm not scared with anyone. And those joker buyer thinking, oh, Wilhelmina is scam. I didn't scam you. I live comfortable. You need my services, that is normal. You have to pay for it. No one is cheating you. You travel, at least you went there, and then you window shop. Then you were talking to lots of the seller. What happened? Disaster. You go behind my back. So you're the loser. If you coordinate with Wilhelmina, you will not be disaster. Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, if I mention your name, believe me, you are going to be embarrassed. But you asked me not to release your picture, and you asked me not to release all our conversation. This conversation that I have on file, I will use this in the court. I will use this when the time comes. But don't bully me. So, Mr. Buyer, this is for you. And who watched this video, this is for everyone. Do not go behind my back because you're paying my services. And my $20,000 is non-refundable. Believe me. You mean to say when I fly, I'm gonna ask the Emirates airline to recover, to return the money? No. You're just unprofessional. That's the reason why you are notified that my extra service is non-refundable. So put this into your mind, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video. Go through this video. Take time. Don't rush, because a minute you rush, then you encounter disaster. Now again, the price of gold I'm going to update. Just bear with me because the price of gold changes every half an hour. Okay? Alright, just bear with me. I'm going to go to the world market. Okay. Oh, a little bit down. Okay. A few minutes ago, I mentioned it 111,801, right? One, okay, just a moment. No, yeah, 111,748.52 few minutes ago. Now it's down a little bit of 111,594.32. On 22 carats is 102,290. Right. So, Mr. Buyer, don't panic. I am here to assist you. I am here to help you in order to make you profitable. I sacrifice, I renegotiate the price for you. My seller said, well, Amina, are you with us? I said to my seller, both buyers and seller, you are using my services. Be thankful that I've given you a good price out of 102, but don't bank on it. Come and discuss with me. I want to know who you are. All right? Thank you very much.